Folks, in this and the next few courses, we're going to cover important aspects of Python modules and packages. Um, so one of the most powerful features of Python is that there are many open sourced, free for everybody to use modules published by various professionals out there. And modules, there are Python itself carried a lot of built-in modules. And then there are, of course, the third-party modules we just described earlier. And you can also create your own modules, like certain files you can create with certain functionalities, with certain functions, methods, variables, and then later on you can import those modules and use those method variables very easily in another set of Python files. So those are modules, and if you put a bunch of modules together, if those modules are for certain purposes, then you essentially make up a package. So there are all kinds of packages out there for you can download and install them for free, and then basically you can exponentially expand the ability of Python within your own machine. So here, as we described, built-in modules come with Python like a math module, datetime module to handle the datetime, and the statistics module, and third-party modules, which we are going to cover in our intermediary courses, pandas, OpenPyXL, and some, those are for data manipulation and Excel creation and processing, those sort of things. And then you can create your own module, of course. Basically, later on, we're going to create your own module and you can import certain method from your own module. And when you use import, so you can import the entire things within a module, or you can import specific functions from another module. Like this example here is essentially from this finance utilities module, we're only importing the net profit method. So, and here essentially we only need to pass in revenue and expenses here. We can after we import this method can be directly used in the current Python file. So all you need to do is put net profit in there and pass in the variables in there, and then it should work. So those are important aspects of modules. In the next few courses, we're gonna go over those specific details in depth.